Orders. In this lecture, I will show you how you manage your orders in Shopify. Okay, let's take a quick look at the Shopify dashboard. Right over here, I clicked on orders and all orders. Here are all your orders coming in. So that's really great. It's really easy to manage your orders. And yeah, if you have drop shipping, you also can look at your orders, but you doesn't have to ship them. So if I look at abandoned checkouts, an abandoned checkout happens when a customer adds an item to their cart but doesn't complete the checkout process. So that is really useful if you see which products are popular by people and other products are less popular than that product. So that's really useful. So I go back to all orders, and now you know where your orders come in, and I wish you good luck with selling, and I will see you in the next lecture. Thanks! Products. In this lecture, I will show you the product settings in Shopify. Okay, we have collections and products, but we're gonna do that in a later lecture. So, okay, right over here, I want you to navigate to products, and we will wait. And here you see all your products, but we don't have added any products yet. We're gonna do that later in this course. I'm so excited to show you that. But we first need to know what products are and where they are. So they are here, yes. And under the product tab in transfers, you will see the suppliers transfers. So, and in the inventory, you will see how many stock you have. I'm also gonna show you that later back. So don't worry, if you don't know what I mean, I'm all gonna explain to you in later lectures. So these are the collections, and I'm also gonna explain that. And gift cards. You can use gift cards to give people coupons or something else. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you soon. Customers. In this quick lecture, I will show you how you manage your customers in Shopify. Once we are there, you see a customer that I've created, and I want to click on it, and we will see what happens. Okay, we'll wait. Here you see his default address, and you see his contact information, and you will see here his recent orders. So that's great. That's really useful. So you can see his orders, what he bought, and all the information. And right over here, by the customer's dashboard, I will click on new, and there will appear the new customers. They will appear here, right over here, and the returning customers will appear here. Checkouts will appear there. So yeah. And email subscribers, you have also email subscribers. You can manage it right over there. And from your country, you can manage it right over here. So when I go back to all, yeah. Okay, now you know how you manage your customers, and I'm happy that you're my student. I'm happy that you're watching my lectures, and I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next lecture. Analytics. In this lecture, I will show you how you manage your analytics in Shopify. Okay, we are here at the dashboard, at analytics and dashboard, and here you see your total sales, how many you have sold, and your sales. So that's great. And we jump into the next section. Here you see how many visitors there are online at the moment. Okay, right over here you see a returning customer rate. That's how many people come back to your store. And right over here you see your online store conversion rate. You can see how many people added it to the cart, how many people reached the checkout, and how many sessions there are converted. So right over here, you see the average order value. This is average of what people buy on your site. the average order. And right over here you see your total orders over all the time. So you got many more options, and you can click on view report. Feel free to look around a little bit. So this is your dashboard in Shopify. Okay, it's looking all great and it's looking all good in my opinion. So yeah, we can jump to the next lecture. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon. Thanks. Discounts. In this lecture, I will show you how you create a discount code in Shopify. Click on the Create Discount Code button. Right over here, you can give your discount code a name. I'm gonna call it Summer Sale. Here you can enter the value of it, the discount value. So I'm gonna enter 50%. And of every entry I order, you can also select specific collections. So they will only work for collections that you have selected. Okay, and when I scroll down, you will see that there is end date. You can set the end date for this discount code because it's only in the summer for this case, but I'm gonna leave it as default, and I'm gonna click on Save Discount. And right over here, you can get your shareable link in a green arrow. I'm gonna click on Get Shareable Link, and right over here, you can copy this. And you can paste it in your browser and you will see the discount. So I'm not going to copy this, but that was it for this lecture. And I hope you've learned something new, and I will see you soon. App Store. Today we will take a look at the Shopify App Store. Okay, once we are there, I want you to navigate to Applications right over there by Apps. And I'm going to wait. I'm still with you. It took long, I know it, but I'm still with you. Okay, right over here, I will click on Visit Shopify App Store on this blue button. Okay, I will wait. Okay, right over here, you see different applications. This is just a quick view to give you an overview about the applications. You can use Oblo for drop shipping, or My Online Fashion by CC Fashion, or you can use so many applications, but I will show you in this course the best one. I'm not gonna do this in this lecture. I'm gonna do that in a later lecture, so we can discover all the great apps in Shopify. And I will put a link in the resources so you can visit the App Store too. I'm gonna search now for dropshipping. The word says it, drop the shipping. So that's the drop shipping. So you don't need to ship items and all over the world. I'm all gonna explain that to you later. You see here that Oblo is very popular, and you see here that Modelist is very popular. We're gonna install those apps in a later lecture, and this is just to give you a quick overview about the applications that we got and the opportunities that we got. So I'm gonna go to the next page. So here you see Printful. I will make a whole course about that in the future, and yeah, these are probably all the apps. So feel free to look around, and I'm gonna take my top 5 and I'm gonna show it to you soon in later lectures. So I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.